early age, certainly from as far back as I can remember, I wanted to become an attorney at law, though I'm not quite sure what sparked my interest in the law. While my parents did not in any way try to direct or influence my career path, they placed great emphasis on education, hard work, and determination. To them, what was important was choosing a path and putting in the work in order to achieve it. I did not have to be the best, but I had to do my best. Somehow, the law attracted me, and when I expressed and maintained my interest in the law, my parents encouraged me to work towards it. And so, with the love and support of my family, and by God's grace, I became an attorney at law. After spending 3 years in the faculty, focusing on the theory of law, studying at the Norman Manley Law School was an eye-opening experience for me. At law school, we were now being exposed to the practical side of the law, which was quite exciting. We had the benefit of having lecturers and tutors from varying legal backgrounds who would infuse the lessons with their own experiences in practice. Who can forget the lessons learned from teachers such as the Honorable Mr. Justice Algernon Smith, with whom I had the privilege of working later on at the Court of Appeal, Mr. Peter Carson, Mr. Ian Wilkinson, now King's Counsel, and of course, Miss Carol Aina, now Principal of the Law School, just to name a few. In addition to enabling me to learn from respected teachers, the law school also enabled me to interact with a wonderful year group, from which some great, lasting friendships emerged. I have been blessed by these friendships and will be eternally grateful for them. The excellent training received at the law school in various subject areas prepares its students for the real world of practicing law, whether it be inside a courtroom or elsewhere, and serves as a continuous guide throughout one's practice. Having gained so much from the law school, I think it is very important for us as graduates to contribute in whatever way we can to the law school and to aspiring attorneys at law. I have had the privilege, thanks to Miss Nancy Anderson of blessed memory and to Mr. Robert Fletcher, of returning on occasion to the law school to talk to law students about the procedures of the Court of Appeal. I found it humbling to have been asked to do this, and fulfilling, knowing that in a small way I gave back to the law school. Over the years, graduates have contributed to the law school by teaching classes, opening their offices to students for internships, providing scholarships to students, or mentoring students. And so, I would encourage members of the profession to continue to give of themselves in support of the Norman Manley Law School. I have many memories of my time at the law school. A lot of them involve my tutorial group, not only because we got on quite well and spent a lot of time together, but also because each member of the group was phenomenal. A phenomenal tutorial group from a phenomenal year group. It has filled me with immense pride to watch the successes of my classmates as judges, partners in law firms, senior prosecutors, colleague registrars, and senior attorneys in private companies, state entities, or their own law firms. To the Norman Manley Law School, I say thank you. And to the graduating class of 2001, I say, well done.